Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Emily and welcome back to Memorycare Daily. If you or a loved one are dealing with memory issues or cognitive decline, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to dive into some detailed, practical steps you can take to help improve and maintain your brain health. Whether it's forgetfulness, confusion, or just the natural aging process, you don't have to face these challenges alone. I'll be here to walk you through each step of the journey, sharing expert advice and simple techniques to make sure your brain stays as healthy and sharp as possible. Memory is one of the most crucial aspects of our lives, allowing us to remember everything from the small, everyday details to the significant events that shape our world. But as we age, we can often begin to notice subtle or sometimes more obvious changes in our memory. While this is a natural part of aging, it can also be an early sign of cognitive decline or dementia, particularly Alzheimer's disease. The good news is there are things we can do to keep our memory sharp and prevent or delay memory loss. In today's video, I'll share simple yet highly effective methods to boost your memory and mental clarity. But before we jump into those, let's take a deeper look at the brain's memory function and why our memory tends to change as we get older. To understand why our memory changes over time, it's essential to first understand how memory works in the brain. Our brain is a highly complex organ that consists of different regions, each of which plays a specific role. The brain is responsible for language, perception, emotions, and of course, memory. Memory isn't a singular process. It involves multiple stages, from receiving and storing information to retrieving it when we need it. One of the primary brain structures involved in memory is the hippocampus, which is crucial for short-term memory and transforming short-term memories into long-term ones. As we age, the hippocampus may begin to shrink or deteriorate, leading to difficulties such as forgetfulness, trouble recalling names, forgetting tasks, or even struggling to remember important life events. The changes can vary from person to person, but understanding this process can help us identify early signs and take proactive steps to maintain cognitive health. There are several factors that can impact our memory, and many of them are within our control. One of the most significant factors is sleep. Sleep is essential for consolidating memories. Without adequate rest, our brains can't effectively store and process new information. It's recommended to aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night for optimal brain function. In addition to sleep, our diet plays a major role in maintaining brain health. A balanced diet rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and omega-3 fatty acids is essential for supporting brain function and protecting against cognitive decline. These nutrients help reduce inflammation in the brain and improve blood flow, which supports memory retention. Stress is another major factor that can negatively affect memory. Chronic stress causes elevated cortisol levels, which can damage the hippocampus and impair memory. So, practicing stress management techniques such as mindfulness, meditation, or regular physical exercise can be extremely beneficial for protecting memory. In addition to maintaining a healthy diet and managing stress, it's equally important to engage in activities that stimulate the brain. Just like physical exercise strengthens muscles, mental exercises can keep your brain sharp. One simple yet effective memory exercise is the remember and repeat method. This exercise involves recalling a list of items, facts, or even phrases, then repeating them after a short time. You can try this with daily activities like remembering a shopping list or reviewing the events of your day. Another way to boost memory is through journaling. Writing down thoughts, experiences, and important events helps reinforce what we've learned or experienced, strengthening memory recall. It's also great to engage in brain-boosting activities like learning a new language, playing strategy games, or solving puzzles. These activities challenge the brain and improve cognitive function over time. Additionally, physical exercise is crucial as it increases blood flow to the brain, which enhances memory and cognitive abilities. Regular walking, swimming, or dancing can help improve both physical and cognitive health. While lifestyle changes can help preserve memory, there are times when you may notice more severe memory issues, such as forgetting recent events or difficulty recognizing familiar people. In these cases, it's important to consult a healthcare professional for a thorough evaluation. If diagnosed with conditions like Alzheimer's disease or other forms of dementia, there are treatment options available, including medications that can help slow the progression of symptoms and cognitive therapies that can improve memory. Medications like donepezil, which boost acetylcholine in the brain, can help manage symptoms in the early stages. Cognitive therapies, such as memory training exercises, can help patients strengthen their memory abilities and retain their independence longer. It's important to seek professional help early, as early intervention can make a significant difference in managing the symptoms and maintaining quality of life. Remember, your memory is one of the most valuable assets you have, and the best time to start taking care of it is today. Simple habits like getting enough sleep, eating a brain-healthy diet, and staying mentally and physically active can make a world of difference in the health of your brain. The key is consistency. Small steps taken regularly will lead to significant improvements over time. I encourage you to start incorporating these habits into your daily routine today. Thank you for watching today's video. If you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Memorycare Daily so you don't miss out on more valuable tips and insights about brain health. Feel free to share this video with your loved ones, because when it comes to our health, we all deserve to take the best care possible.